With more vehicles on the road than ever before, managing them has become a challenge, especially within residential societies, which is why there is a need among societies for a vehicle management system. Many of them are turning towards boom arm systems for entry-exit management. But let's be honest, boom barriers are not for everyone. They come with a high upfront cost, requirement of heavy infrastructure, regular maintenance, and in some cases even recurring rental fees, making them impractical for most societies. So what's the alternative? Traditionally, societies have relied on name stickers. They are inexpensive and easy to use. Name stickers have long been the trusted, budget-friendly way to identify society vehicles. No heavy systems, no maintenance, no recurring cost. Just simple stickers that helps the security guard to identify society vehicles. Even today, many small and medium-sized societies use stickers for the same. But these stickers have remained the same for many years, and it's time that they get an upgrade. Introducing Society SMARTag. SMARTag is a smart, budget-friendly evolution of society name stickers for vehicles, powered by SMARTag technology. It combines the simplicity of the traditional society name stickers for quick vehicle identification with the new-age SMARTag technology. It's just like your traditional society sticker, but smarter. Unlike traditional name stickers, which can only be used for society vehicle identification, Society SMARTag also enables one to contact any vehicle owner without needing their phone number. Ideal for incorrect parking notifications, towing alerts, or other vehicle-related concerns. SMARTag works with your everyday apps like Paytm, PhonePe, or Google Pay. With the ability to be scanned by all QR scanner apps, SMARTag is transforming India's 70 crore smartphone users into a nationwide vehicle safety network. In a time when everything is connected, why feel disconnected with your vehicle? Society SMARTag thus would be a great security upgrade for your society, without draining budgets on costly infrastructure. Just a one-time purchase with lifetime SMARTag subscription. Have any doubts about Society SMARTag? Here are some questions from other societies. You can pause the video and go through it. SMARTag has been seeing fast adoption across India, and people are loving it. So what are you waiting for? Get your Society SMARTags now. You could simply search for Society SMARTag on Amazon. Want to try it before you buy it? You could get your society's free custom test sample by scanning this QR. If you need further assistance, write to us at support@smarttagindia.com. Society SMARTag, the smarter choice for societies that care.